Don't download Crazy Egg Enterprise App Testing app before watching this. Before you download Crazy Egg Enterprise App Testing, here's the surprising truth. It's not just a simple app testing tool. At the enterprise level, it's a full optimization platform that requires strategy, planning, and analysis. Step 1. Define your test goals. Crazy Egg allows split tests, heat maps, and user behavior tracking. Most people get this wrong. They run random tests without clear objectives, producing inconclusive results. Step 2. Structure your experiments. Enterprise features let you test multiple pages, funnels, and elements simultaneously. Without planning, data becomes noisy and decisions can backfire. Step 3. Integrate with analytics and marketing tools. Connecting Crazy Egg with CRMs and analytics platforms ensures your tests inform business decisions rather than just producing visual insights. Step 4. Analyze results and iterate. The surprising truth is, running tests isn't enough. You must implement insights and continuously optimize pages to see measurable gains. The upside: proper use can increase conversions, reduce bounce rates, and optimize user journeys, often delivering ROI improvements of 20% or more. So should you download it? Yes, if your team has the bandwidth and expertise to design, analyze, and act on tests. For small-scale testing, simpler tools may be sufficient. Subscribe for more honest reviews before committing to enterprise optimization apps.